Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make passive income by recommending products online? In this video, I will show you exactly how to make money with Amazon's affiliate program, even if you are just starting out. What is Amazon affiliate marketing? Amazon's affiliate program, also called Amazon Associates, lets you earn money by sharing product links. When someone clicks your link and buys anything on Amazon within 24 hours, you earn a commission. You don't need to buy products or hold inventory, just share the link and get paid. To get started, go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Click on sign up button or sign in with your Amazon account. Follow the instruction like your account information. Click next. Enter your website like YouTube. You can use YouTube link. And paste here. Click add, then click next. Then confirm. What is your preferred associate store ID? Follow the instructions here like your store ID. Then describe your content, about content like that. Like tutorial. Then select then enter the captcha for MNXFR. Then click finish. Clicking and obviously click on these terms. Then click finish. Then click later or fill in your payment details and tax information. Amazon gives you a 180 uh, 180-day trial to make your first sale and stay in program. Then submit a tax information. Once approved, visit any product page on Amazon. Use the side stripe toolbar to create links. Go to home. Then click affiliate links. Now scroll down or complete the process. Click share links from mobile. Then go to Amazon.com, click on a product, click get link option, choose text image or text plus image. Copy the link and paste it into your blog, YouTube description and email, Instagram bio or email. That's your affiliate link. Just go back to share links and earn. Follow the process. Click share links and watch the tutorial for your business to get affiliate link. Click paste link like that. Sign up. Then click the share button from here. Go to Amazon.com and click on a products. And again product. Now click the share button and copy the link and paste it in your blog post, Instagram. Here's where to promote your Amazon links. YouTube reviews, product unboxing, blog post like 10 top 10 budget laptops, Pinterest pins with affiliate links, TikTok or Instagram reels with links in bio, email newsletters with gift guides. Always include a disclaimer like as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchase. Amazon pays you a percentage based on the product category. Take 3%, beauty 10%, fashion up to 12%. Even if someone pays other products, you can if even if someone buys other products, you still get paid as long as they used your link. Payout are monthly by a bank deposit, gift card, or check. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.